This is Rob Fontaine, founder of Upstate Door. Welcome to our cast-out facility. Today we're excited to show you our MDF product and how it's produced and how it's different than the other manufacturers.
We've allocated a separate MDF product line to be able to produce and maintain capacity for our product. We have ample space to meet lead time and volume. We're here to help explain how we manufacture MDF doors and show the elements that make Upstate Door stand apart from the rest. Between the use of the highest quality double refined MDF and our superior craftsmanship, your MDF door is made to perfection. Once the MDF comes in and is unloaded, we use a glue roller and glue sheets together for the correct thickness. We let that sit under pressure for a few hours. After it dries, we take the MDF out of the press and go over to our beam saw and trim the pieces so they are cut square, and we remove any rough edges. Parts for each order get cut at the same time. All door pieces are marked with the order number and the door number to ensure accuracy. All sawdust along the process is collected and distributed to local farms, so there is little that goes into our dumpsters. We then take the stiles and send them through the shaper. We groove a channel in it for our poplar insert, which has 7 points of contact for more stability. We use exterior grade glue on all interior pieces, which improves the durability of the bond. Once glued together, we hold them under pressure for a few hours. Next, we go to our boring machine and bore holes in the stiles for dowel placement. Each hole is drilled with consistency and accuracy every time. Dowels add extra stability to the doors, leaving less room for movement. Now we move to the shaping area. Here we shape panels, rails, and stiles to whichever profile the customer prefers. Every piece is shaped individually. We have the ability to match profiles on our MDF doors to any stain grade door to match the home inside and out. We can also provide custom profile cutters. At this point, we prime everything on the panel to make sure that we get all sides before it is assembled. Once dry, we begin to put the door together. Dowels are secured with glue in the holes that we bored earlier, and glue is applied along the entire rail to ensure a tight hold. We assemble a door on its side, starting with the stiles at the bottom, adding the dowels, glue, panels, and rails. Once these are in place, the rest of the dowels and glue are added and the last stile is attached. Once the pieces are assembled, we measure corner to corner to make sure the door is square and hold the door under pressure for a few hours in the press. Once dry, we perform machining for hinge pockets, hardware, downsizing, and beveling at our CNC machine. CNC machining is by far the most accurate and consistent option available in the industry. It offers a horizontal aggregate, which means the door is held perfectly flat while everything is being machined. This is important because we remove the human factor and everything is machined consistently and is completed with the same horsepower. Tolerances are 100% accurate, which gives us complete flexibility over any type of job, making custom jobs easy to do. Numbers get added once the door is complete. We also machine all of our jambs the same way with the same tolerances. Now the door is set to go through the wide belt sander, which smooths out both sides so they're clean and even. Each door is sanded by machines or by hand numerous times to ensure that material is perfectly smooth and that any imperfections are sanded away. Wood putty gets applied to all seams or nail holes, gets sanded off, and any excess glue gets trimmed. Every door receives our standard 2 coats of primer. Once dry, we put the door through the machine to buff and smooth any roughness from the primer. Jambs are shipped knocked down or assembled based on the customer's preference. Now we can add hardware or put the door in a frame based on what the customer has ordered. Hinge protectors go on, and doors get securely wrapped up and packaged with buttons to help slide the door around the warehouse, as well as stop any moisture from touching the door. Doors are carefully loaded onto our Upstate Door trucks to get sent on their way to you. This concludes the tour of our MDF door production. Our superior craftsmanship and attention to detail are only two of the things that make our products stand out from the rest. We're able to match the detail of the home inside and out between stain grade doors and paint grade MDF doors. Our door experts are here to talk with you about any project. Call 800-570-8283 or visit upstatedoor.com for more information.